Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, fog lights, rear window defroster, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push-button start, cruise control, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.